So this is just a quick video talking about building your own power station. I'm going to show you all the parts to build one on your own, what the value you're going to gain building your own. So this is kind of like a apples to apples comparison from one power station to building your own. Now, when you look at the costs, it's going to save you a little bit of money. True. When you're building your own, you're going to be able to build a little bit bigger power station and save a little bit on costs. Is it worth it to me? Unless you just love tinkering, which that's the reason why I built one, it's not really worth it. So when you buy a power station out there, like this All Powers one that I got, if you compare it to the price compared to building it, you're going to pay a little bit more for the power station compared to, building your own. But like I said, it's more of the fun just to build it because you can build your own size of inverter. You can get whatever custom inverter you want to do. You can put the size of battery you want to put in there. Your charge pack, your battery charger. What I did is, instead of proprietary leaving a battery charger in my homemade power station, I put one of those connectors onto the power station I built. That way I can just connect it up and take away the power charger for it whenever I need to use it somewhere else, with not only for that power station. So like I said, there's ways to build this thing, but like I said, it's going to be cheaper. It's going to be a little more clunky because you're going to build it bigger because you're going to. It's going to be heavier. So it just depends on what you need. So it is possible, but unless you just really love building stuff, I wouldn't do it. I'd buy a power station. If you want to buy a power station, buy a power station. I'm not trying to sell you a power station. I'm just saying it's a lot of work, and unless you enjoy it, I wouldn't do it. So that's it for this episode. It was a quick one, like I said, but I just want to give you a little heads up on building your own. If you ever think about it, it's fun, but just be warned on it. All right, talk to you later.